Hey, what's up guys? Back again, and today is another new unboxing. This time it's another tiny whoop, and it's Mobula 7. Now I've already opened this, guys, but I thought I'd show you guys what comes in the box, and I've been flying it for the past few days. And learning how to fly FPV is kind of hard at first, but you'll get the hang of it as long as you stick with it and keep flying multiple packs per day. Now I've been running, I'm going to say I've got about 15 to 17 battery packs. I've been running those multiple times per day, and I'm starting to get the hang of it, guys. I can now fly in acro mode. Not in tight areas yet, but you know, I'm over the ball field. I can do loops and flips and keep that quad up in the air as long as I'm in an open area. So in the box we have a pack of stickers. I've already took a few off and stuck it on the Mobula. We have our instructions, how to bind, how to set it up within Betaflight. As you can see, it's all detailed, colored, just like the last one, like the US-65. It also comes with a 6 battery charger. You get a spare set of props, a complete set, a few extra pieces of hardware and a screwdriver, and a prop removal tool. This quad, guys, comes with 4 battery packs to get you started. And this quad will also take either one, this is a 1 and a 2S, or you can put, sorry about that, you can put 2 in it for twice the power. And it rips with 2 batteries, guys. It certainly rips. Batteries are 250 milliamp, 4.35 volt, and they're high voltage. Flight times, I can't remember, guys. I think it's around 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. I haven't really timed it, but I believe it was around 4 or 5 minutes. Now, I was wrong with the US-65. I said it was 2-3 minutes. I've been getting a minute and a half to 2 minutes flight time depending on the battery I put in it, but I believe this one is around 5 minutes. And the more milliamp battery you put in it, I thought I heard somebody say on YouTube that they were getting close to 7-minute flight time, as long as they're not punching it too much. So there is your little attachment for the bottom so you can hold 2 batteries. Now guys, this quad has 16,000 kilovolt motors. They're brushless motors, just like the last. You see those? Really cool looking quad. The frame is really durable, really bendy. It's going to take a lot to bust this frame. Now I'm not saying it can't be done, but it's pretty durable. That's all we have in the box, guys. There's the box. Really nice package. You get this foam insert inside to store your quad in. There's not too much else I can tell you about the quad. It has a beeper inside, so when you crash land, this will constantly beep until you find it and shut it off on your transmitter. You can hook it to Betaflight, like I said. Has a little micro USB there to connect to Betaflight. You can tune this all you want to your own setting. Camera's adjustable. You can move it up or down for your preferred flight. So if you're a fast flyer, you can tip that camera right up and your quad will be flying like this instead of like this. So all I can say, guys, it's super fun. I would really suggest buying it. I have had a trouble with it, with the quad dropping out of the sky, but recently today I've changed the settings, and it was the RX setting. It was in the RX what I had to change to stop this quad from falling at the sky. Now, it hasn't done it to me today in my flights today, but I'm going to give it some more time. It could do it again. Like, it hasn't been doing it every single flight. I could get a battery in it, fly it around the field, land, put another battery in. I may not even get 5-10 seconds and it'd drop at the sky. It's like it lost connection. And it was just like the quad reset itself, and I could take off again, fly away, and it'd drop at the sky. So, like I say, it hasn't done it today. I ran 5 battery packs in it today, I believe, and it flew great. Didn't drop at the sky at all. So we'll just give it some more time and see what happens. If it persists on falling at the sky, I'm gonna contact Banggood again. I've already contacted them, see if they know what's happening with this quad, but apparently a lot of people are getting it, and a lot of people are fixing it with the RX. So like I say, I've changed it. Hasn't done it again today. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, smash that like button, and catch you later. Peace.